Hi friends, let me go direct to the point today. Do you want to get your goal fast and easy? If your answer is yes, just do this simple technique. Do daily affirmation. What is a daily affirmation? To talk simply, daily affirmations are clear, positive statements that describe your goals as already achieved. For example, if your goal is to have a new beautiful house, so your daily affirmation could be something like, I am happy to be in my beautiful bedroom of my new house now. Or if your goal is to make $500,000 this year, your affirmation could be, I am so happy and grateful to be celebrating the fact that I reached my financial target of $500,000. You know, it sounds simple, but in fact it is very powerful. If you repeat this type of positive affirmation every day to yourself, it can have a profound impact on your conscious and unconscious mind. When you imagine yourself completing a goal, your brain responds in the same way as if you actually had completed that goal. When I talk about this technique to some people, they feel like I am crazy and unrealistic. In fact, they have no idea of what I am talking about. They don't have any basic background about how to use law of attraction. Affirmations are reminders to your unconscious mind to stay positive and focus on your goals. By cultivating this kind of success-focused mindset, you raise your energetic vibration and are able to attract more high vibe opportunities, people, and resources into your life, which in turn makes it even easier for you to achieve your goals. I know you may feel it's a bit new to you, but this is how the universe works. Whether you know it or not, You are always using affirmations in your life, but they are mostly negative affirmations. For example, to be honest, just tell me how many times you say something like this per day. I am so tired of him, he always complains. Or, I can't stop smoking, it's very hard. Or, the weather is very, very bad today. Or something like, why does this bad thing happen to me? You know, these are called complaints or negative affirmations, and they are also very powerful. Remember, when you just repeatedly tell yourself such things, they reinforce your negative perception of the world and make those negative thoughts turn into reality and repeatedly happen as long as you keep them in your head. Another thing is when you keep saying I can't, so you stop yourself looking for solutions. And of course, good things won't come to your life. So the only way to change your life is replace these negative affirmations with powerful positive affirmations for success that you wish to have. You know, daily positive affirmations help you to transform I can't into I can, and your fears and doubts into confidence and certainty.